Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia, and today's video is sponsored by a company called Anicekiss. So without further ado, you already saw the intro and you already know I'm getting into the packaging. They sent me some lashes as well as a 5x5 24-inch curly closure, and it is 108% density. This is a machine-made wig, so I'm just showing you guys how it looks on the inside as far as the construction. So we have your 3 combs in the front and then your 1 additional comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps, and then the lace closure at the top, and then additional lace in the back. So I'm just showing you guys the adjustable straps here, and then we're going to get into the unit. So first thoughts, I was like, okay, this is a pretty simple beginner friendly unit because all you have to do is cut the lace. So I have washed my hair off camera and I just went ahead and I'm just pre-fitting the wig on before my client comes in, and then you're going to see me have my makeup on at the end. But I'm just going in and just pre-trying on the unit, so that way when I'm ready to put it on, all I have to do is cut the additional lace. Because this is a curly textured unit, all you have to do is either use a wand curler to blend with the texture, or you can just use some foam wrap, which I'll be doing in a few. But right now I'm just pre-fitting the unit, making sure that it's not too tight, not too loose, and that it's comfortable and fits nice to my head. So here I am. This was after I did my client. So I have my deep wave closure in my hand, and now I'm just adding it onto my head. I'm just applying it from the back to the front, and then you can just use the combs in the back to give you a little bit more like hold, but I prefer not to use them, but it's just my personal preference. I'm just going in and I'm just putting this to where I want to sit the unit, and I am going to go for a side part. So the first thing you want to do is cut the lace. I'm just going to do one side at a time, just making sure to take my time. This video is slightly sped up, so you just want to make sure that you are taking your time and you're not cutting too much of the lace off, because you don't want to cut it too far back and then you'll just have a problem on your hands. So I'm going in here now, and then once I'm done cutting the lace, I am going to go in and part my hair, and then I'm going to mold it. Once I'm done molding it, I will show you guys how I style it as well as how I blend the part. Now you can either bleach your knots or add makeup. If it's a closure unit, I prefer to leave it bleach free, just because sometimes when you bleach the knots, it can cause a little bit of breakage and shedding, and I don't want this unit to shed. So this is just how it looks popping it on. Yeah, you can get away with this. You can wear it as is or put a headband on, but we're going to take it up a notch in just a second. So here you see me. I'm just using my rat tail comb in, and I'm putting in my side part. And I'm just going to put a little bit of foam wrap on that part so that way it lays where I want it to. And then I am going to go in with my head wrap that they gave me, and I'm going to use that to tie the hair down. And once I'm done putting this foam wrap on, I am going to sit under the dryer for 10 minutes just to allow this to dry. And it will look a little flat at the top, but do not worry. You can either comb that out or brush it out, or you can curl it, and I'm going to do both. So just trust the process, and I'll be back after 10 minutes. And before I forget, you guys already know I'm going to link everything that I'm using down in the description box below. So be sure to check out Anicekiss information, and they also sent me a discount code, which I will always drop down below for you guys as well. So that way you guys can save money on your order. So here I am. I'm taking the scarf off my hair, and I just combed it out a little bit. Now you could wear this, but to me it just seemed a little flat. So I am going to go in. I sprayed a little bit of heat protectant off camera, and I'm just going to go ahead and wand curl my hair. I'm just focusing mostly at the top where I lost some of that height from putting that foam wrap in my hair. And then once I'm done doing these wand curls, I am going to use my fingers to separate the curls. The reason why I chose to use the wand curler versus the curling iron is because the wand curler is going to match this deep wave texture perfectly, and I figured this is the perfect time to pull this out just to give me a little bit more height and movement to this hair. And I actually did wear this hair out to my godson's birthday over the weekend, and I got so many compliments, so it was such a vibe. And I do have a couple unit clients who came in and they really like the curly texture. Me personally, I just like curly hair because it's very low maintenance. All you have to do is get up and go. You can wet it most of the times, or you can just throw some curls, and the curls last for a pretty decent time. So this is me just showing you guys how I'm curling it, and then I did the rest off camera just to blend. And I am going in now with some of my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just applying this to my part to give it a more realistic look. Don't worry if you get a little bit on the hair, you can just wipe it off at the end like I did here. So once I'm done applying this, I'm just going to run my fingers through my hair and kind of just zhuzh it up a little bit to give it a little bit more life. And then I am going to place it on my head a little bit more to the side, or kind of just adjust it as needed. But after this, it's pretty much good to go, and you are literally ready to go. I did not have to bleach this. I did not have to glue this, which I love because I can literally pop this unit on, head to work or head out to the store, and your girl is looking slayed. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm going to add a couple clips in the end of me just playing with my hair and doing my thing. And comment down below if you've ever used a Anicekiss hair before, and if you like this textured unit for yourself or for me. I love all the feedback. So thank you guys so much for supporting and so much for watching. Again, I will link everything that I have in the detailed box below in the description, and I will see you guys later. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope everybody has a wonderful and productive day. Bye, guys.